Nano Banana is Google's generative image editing model built into Gemini. Upload a photo, describe changes, and get context-aware edits while keeping people and pets recognizably the same. It also supports step-by-step multi-turn editing, blending multiple photos and design mixing. 1. Combine photos into new scenes. Let's combine 2 photos, person plus dog, into one basketball scene. 1 prompt, seamless blend. Consistent faces. 2. Start frames for ads. Generate clean start frames for ad storyboards. Keep consistent branding and subject identity for iterative variants. 3. Multi-turn editing is a game changer. Paint walls blue, add a bookshelf, place a modern grey sofa and a glass coffee table. Gemini helps you edit while leaving everything else the same. 4. Move styles between images. Transfer textures and styles. Flower petals to sneakers, butterfly wings to dress fabric, or oil painting style to a living room. 5. Redesign interior. Quick interior. Redesign, change palettes, add furniture, swap decor still respecting layout and geometry. 6. Multi-image fusion. Fuse these 3 city photos into a panoramic composite consistent perspective and tone. 7. Maintain character consistency. Across all scenes, identity stays consistent. That's the Nano Banana difference. 8. Change background. Replace background with a golden hour beach boardwalk. Soft bokeh keeps subject lighting realistic. 9. Remove people from photos. Remove the 2 people in the background. Reconstruct natural textures and shadows. 10. Image restoration. Restore this old photo. Fix cracks. Color correct gently. Preserve grain. What should be tested next? Product shots, fashion lookbooks, or cinematic composites? Comment the wildest prompt.
Subscribe to Amy's Marketing and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.